Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on updating your tax settings. To begin, click the Add a New Tax Setting button. Here you can specify the tax name, for example VAT. You can also enter your tax registration number in the optional field if necessary, and here you can specify the percentage that will be applicable. For example, we'll enter a 20%. You can choose whether the tax is included in the menu item price. If you wish the tax to be charged separately from your menu items, simply click the toggle switch to No. You can also choose whether the tax is applicable to all items within your menu. You can also customize this at menu, category, and individual item level also. Simply make the changes and click Set Tax to update the settings. Once you've created your tax setting and added all of the necessary detail, click the Save button to return to the tax screen. Thanks for watching.